Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the hottest and most helpful tools and gadgets. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best airbrush kit compressor with paints currently available on the market, the InoKraft Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hobbyist, stay tuned. This could be your next favorite creative companion. Right out of the box, the InoKraft kit makes a strong first impression. It's thoughtfully packed with everything you need to jump straight into airbrushing. You can paint for hours without worrying about power loss or overheating, thanks to the compressor's reliability and its built-in adjustable pressure valve. It also includes an oil-water separator for clean, dry air and better results. When it comes to flexibility, the InoKraft kit shines. With 3 nozzle sizes included: 0.2 mm for fine detail, 0.3 mm for general use, and 0.5 mm for broader coverage, you can tackle virtually any project. Whether you're painting miniatures, models, makeup, or even doing cake decorating or temporary tattoos, this kit has you covered. And since it's a dual-action airbrush, you have full control of both air and paint flow with just a single finger. That gives you precision and responsiveness that beginners will appreciate and professionals will love. Ease of use is another major plus. The included beginner's guide is a fantastic touch. It walks you through setup, basic techniques, and maintenance. The cleaning kit is comprehensive. It includes a cleaner, bent nozzle bottle for quick rinsing, and tools for thorough cleaning when your session wraps up. The airbrush is easy to disassemble and put back together, so you're not fumbling around after a long painting session. Maintenance is simple, keeping the kit in top condition for the long haul. Now let's talk about value. This kit isn't just another tool, it's a complete airbrushing experience. It's a thoughtful gift option too. Whether it's Christmas, a birthday, or even Halloween prep, this kit suits anyone interested in creativity, kids, students, or your artsy friend or partner. And the 1-year warranty offers extra peace of mind, backed by full support from the InoKraft team. You're not just buying a product, you're stepping into a supported journey into airbrushing. If you're just starting out, this kit is beginner-friendly without feeling too basic. If you're an experienced artist looking for a versatile, quiet, and portable airbrush system with high-quality components, this will feel like an upgrade. And if you're somewhere in between, experimenting with different techniques or looking to explore a new medium, it's ideal for that too. To sum it up, the InoKraft Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor is a feature-rich, user-friendly, and thoughtfully designed solution for anyone interested in airbrushing. It delivers professional performance at an approachable price point, making it one of the best airbrush kits available today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or project ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating. This is Product Critique, signing off.